What's up everyone, today we're going to be installing the AMD Radeon Pro 7 graphics card that I unboxed in the previous video. So, what's interesting about this install is not going to be the classic, horizontal video card. It's going to be a vertical one. No wonder I bought this, which is the, a extension really. PCIe Express Riser it's called. This one's made by the Republic of Gamers, ROG, Asus ROG. I'm going to link this in the description in case you want to buy one for your own PC. That one's like 20-something centimeters, 20-something, I forgot. Oh, it's in the description. Alright, so I gotta set this massive piece of glass aside. Okay, on to the installation. First, of course, we gotta remove the old graphics cards. This is also my opportunity to test out my GoPro's time-lapse function. Alright guys, now that I've removed the old cards, and in case you guys were wondering, those old cards were GTX 1650 Supers, two of them, and it's going to be upgraded to this. So, set that down for a second. Now, here is our PCIe riser. That's going to go here on the first slot, obviously, for maximum bandwidth to the CPU. And it'll just sit like that. It's actually a perfect fit. Alright, now I'm gonna plug this in here. Alright. Okay, now I just need to tighten it down. It might be better if I do this while it's standing up. So I'm going to disconnect this once again. And I'm going to stand the computer up. Okay. So this is set down once again. Okay, so that's where it's going to go. There are two screws that I'll need to put in, so I'll keep those on hand so I can do them. I might actually tighten the screws down first before turn the thing around so you can see it. Okay, feel like it's going through. Let's see. Yeah, in that sense, those two screws are holding this entire card onto the case, and it's already starting to look good. The way it is. Let me get my screwdriver. Tilt the antenna up so it doesn't. Alright, tighten the screws down. We don't want the card falling off. Good. Our card is now installed. There it is. Of course, we can't forget plugging in the PCIe riser cable, or what's the point of this? Make sure it's all the way in. Good. Now it's installed. So now it's just time to close up the case and start installing the drivers. Now there's one more thing I'd like to mention. This graphics card needs power. Well, external power. Here they are, coming off of the power supply. We're going to plug that in right here. There are actually two. So, one of them's 6 pins, one of them's 8 pins. So, there's the 6 pin, and we need to plug in the 8 pin. Hey. What happened? Wait. It is a bit tight here, but... Don't see a reason it should not work. Oh, I see. It's the opposite side. Okay, those 2 extra pins actually go near the bottom. Alright, now it works. And that's good that they added that part to the PCIe connector. Well, at least the PCIe power connector. Because you don't want to be putting it in the wrong way. There you go. Power's connected. That is the last thing you need to do. And then you boot up the computer. There should be pre-installed Windows-based drivers, but of course we're going to install the official driver. Just for the best reliability. You know, stay up to date with the AMD latest ones.